If you're a beginner crypto investor and want to know what to invest in for maximum profit, watch this video. I'll be going over my 5 top crypto picks that everyone should have in their portfolio. Make sure to watch until the end to get my full analysis on each of these coins. I'll go over important stats, news, and why I expect them to grow. Thank you to Strike for sponsoring this video. Let's get started. So the first crypto we are talking about today is Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain that operates on smart contracts, and it was founded by Vitalik Buterin back in 2013. So I'm here on CoinMarketCap. This is where I do a lot of my research and look at a lot of these stats for these crypto coins. But you can see right now Ethereum is trading at $2,579.04. In the last month, we hit a low of about $2,300 and we hit a high of $3,185. The market cap at the current valuation is about $309 billion. In the last 24 hours, we have trading volume of about $7.54 billion, which is down 4%. And our current circulating supply is about 119 million ETH. So if you take a look at the 1 month price chart, we can see that ETH started at about $3,000 1 month ago. It dipped pretty heavily at the end of February, bounced back up to about 3,000. And right now it's down to the current price of just over $2,500. If we zoom out to the 1 year chart, however, we can see that 1 year ago, we were trading under $2,000 a coin. It popped all the way up to over $4,000 back in May of 2021, dropped back down to under 2,000 again. And then we saw a tremendous rally starting in July of 2021, all the way up to about $4,700. And yeah, since then it has leveled off quite a bit. Its market dominance is 17.74% and it has a market rank of number 2. If we take a look at the rating section, we can see that the symmetry score is a B+ and the token insight rating is A. Right now, 65% of people that hold Ethereum are making money at the current price and 29% of people are losing money. The concentration by large holders is 42%, which is a little bit high. 58% have held for over 1 year, 36% have held between 1 to 12 months, and 6% have held for under 1 month. So Ethereum is one of the most important and revolutionary projects in the crypto space. The crypto project is specifically innovative because it was the first major platform to enable smart contract functionality and the development of decentralized applications. Now, this is especially valuable as it gives rise to smaller blockchain developers who can do big things. Recently, the Ethereum Layer 2 developer Starkware raised at least $100 million and tripled their valuation within 4 months. And as of right now, there is a lot to be excited about for the blockchain. The locking of over 10 million Ether on Ethereum's 2.0 staking contract was recently announced ahead of a planned upgrade to a proof of stake blockchain. Currently, Ethereum is functioning on a proof of work blockchain, which is more expensive in terms of energy used, as well as less efficient. Now, with Ethereum's upcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, the project intends to increase energy efficiency while also being more advanced with its technology and features. I really do think that Ethereum is the perfect cryptocurrency for beginners because it truly is one of the first cryptos that paved the way to so many other projects, including NFTs. We're already witnessing a global adoption of digital currencies. For example, President Biden's crypto plans were recently revealed, and they promise greater coordination between US agencies to ensure a comprehensive approach to digital asset policy. As cryptos are more widely accepted, it only makes sense for Ethereum, a pioneering feat of blockchain technology, to be one of the greatest beneficiaries of this adoption. So yeah, really recommend you guys, if you are a beginner in crypto, definitely check out Ethereum. So the best way to buy and sell Bitcoin with absolutely zero fees is with Strike, who's the sponsor of this video. They're giving all of you guys $10 for free when you sign up using the link below. Now, I always get sad when I see people send and receive Bitcoin on other platforms because the fees are huge. Strike is a platform where you can buy, withdraw, and send Bitcoin with no fees. You can start with as little as 50 cents, and yeah, the platform also allows you to send or receive money with friends, just like Venmo. You can set up recurring purchases hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly, meaning your investments are dollar cost averaging automatically. And you can withdraw your Bitcoin at any time, all with no fees. If you want to get paid in Bitcoin from your job, they actually allow you to convert any portion of your paycheck to Bitcoin all within the app. I think I'm actually going to start doing that. Now, like I mentioned earlier, Strike has partnered up with me to give you guys $10 instantly when you download Strike and set up your account using my referral code. I really encourage you to check them out, and I'll also be sending out $100 of Bitcoin to a few lucky people that comment their Strike username below. The link is in the description. And now back to the video. So the second crypto we were talking about today is Bitcoin, the king of all crypto. And yeah, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that is considered to be the original cryptocurrency, created in 2009 by the identity Satoshi Nakamoto. So although Bitcoin isn't exactly the original cryptocurrency, with a few attempts at creating cybercurrencies back in the 80s, there's no doubt that Bitcoin was the first major cryptocurrency that is single-handedly responsible for transforming the entire blockchain space. Bitcoin's success is unprecedented, with its value reaching a record high of nearly $70,000 by the beginning of 2021, around 12 years since its inception in 2009. And very rarely do we ever see an asset reach such astronomically high values in such a short amount of time. And we can really attribute this growth to the currency's significance in the world at the time. Bitcoin's original white paper promised a decentralized system of currencies, which was really appealing for so many people who became disenchanted with the banking systems. So taking a look at Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap, we can see that the current price is about $38,949. In the last month, we've seen a low of $34,459 and a high of $45,000. The market cap based on the current price is about $739 billion, with a 24-hour trading volume of $14.7 billion, which is actually down 11.69%. And right now we have a current circulating supply of almost 19 million Bitcoin, which is about 90% of the total supply of 21 million Bitcoin. So if you look at the price movement in the last year, we can see that 1 year ago, we were trading about $55,000 per Bitcoin. We saw a pretty big crash back in May of 2021, down to about $30,000 to $35,000 per Bitcoin. Then we saw a huge rally starting in July, followed by a small correction, and then another really big rally all the way to almost $70,000 a coin. That was back in November of 2021, but since then we have seen a pretty big reduction in the price of Bitcoin all the way down to its current price. Right now, the market dominance of Bitcoin is 42.47%, and of course, it's the king of all cryptos, so it's ranked number one in market rank. So taking a look at the ratings, we can see that Symmetry rates it as an A-, and Token Insight gives it a AA. 59% of holders are currently making money at the current price, and 34% of people holding Bitcoin are actually losing money right now. The concentration by large holders is 10%. We can see that 57% of people have held Bitcoin for over 1 year, 35% have held between 1 to 12 months, and 8% have held for under 1 month. Now, more specifically, Bitcoin's network is regulated by many computers, meaning it's decentralized, and this basically ensures that transactions are executed properly and securely through a blockchain. This was the first ever conception and usage of the blockchain, and because of this reason, Bitcoin's influence and importance is undeniable. And that really is a reason for Bitcoin's extremely high market cap. So many people have invested their money into this cryptocurrency and believe in it long term, I myself included. And while Bitcoin isn't advancing technologically nearly as quickly as its contemporaries or any of the newer projects that have risen in the crypto scene, there's never doubt that when cryptos boom, Bitcoin also booms. And I'm sure many of you guys would agree with me that Bitcoin's performance represents the performance of the entire crypto space. So if you are a beginner, I would really encourage you to hold Bitcoin, as it is the staple crypto coin that probably has the most backing in the world. It's really going to be interesting to see the price movements in the next 5 to 10 years, as I think the potential for further big increases is there. So yeah, Bitcoin definitely one to keep on your list. Third on our list is Polkadot. Polkadot is a blockchain network that promotes and enables the integration of several blockchains. So Polkadot was founded with the intention of bridging together different blockchains into a single cohesive network, while also enabling the opportunity for developers to create crypto platforms on the Polkadot network. These smaller blockchains are known as parachains, and Polkadot recently announced the launch of its first parachains by developers who won the auctions to build on those parachains. With these purposes in mind, it's obvious that Polkadot brings a lot of value to the world of cryptocurrencies. And many people already know this, right? In fact, Polkadot was reported as being the top crypto held by venture capitalists and hedge funds in the last quarter of 2021. It's definitely bullish for beginner investors who are just dipping their toes in the crypto world to see that so many of the experts have invested their capital into Polkadot's technology. And I think that there's very little reason for Polkadot's price to go down in the long term. As mentioned before, the first parachain auctions for the network went extremely well, with so many developers vying for slots and billions of dollars raised for further development. So right now, Polkadot is trading for $17.75. And in the last month, we have a low of $14.14 and a high of $20.27. So based on the current price, we have a market cap of $17.5 billion. And in the last 24 hours, the trading volume has been $742 million, which is down 31.73%. Here's the price movement for the last 1 year. We can see that 1 year ago, we were at about $35 per coin. We've seen some pretty big jumps as well as small corrections here and there. But yeah, we did reach a low of about $11 back in July of 2021, followed by an extremely big rally all the way up to over $50 per coin. And yeah, since November, we've seen quite a big drop in the price for Polkadot. Its market dominance is 1.01%, and the market rank is number 12. Symmetry rates it as a B, and Token Insight gives it a triple B rating. Polkadot is likely going to continue to expand, especially considering the sheer amount of investment into the company. And as cryptos become more recognized and adopted, there will be an even stronger demand for the network's technology to ensure interoperability between different blockchains. And because there's already so much hype, excitement, and faith for the platform's success, I do think that Polkadot is an outstanding crypto investment for beginners. All right, so the next crypto we're talking about is Solana. Solana is a blockchain platform that hosts the development and execution of decentralized crypto applications. So Solana is really cool because it's unique in the fact that it functions on both a proof of stake blockchain as well as a proof of history blockchain. A proof of history protocol basically marks every transaction on the blockchain with an encrypted timestamp so that a network of nodes can agree on both the timing and order of events. The protocol in which Solana functions enables its network to be very fast and highly efficient, all at a ridiculously low fee per transaction. And the network is capable of processing 65,000 transactions per second. Okay, so right now Solana is trading for about $81.33, and we have a 1 month low of $76.86 and a 1 month high of $105.98. So yeah, down about 25% from that 1 month high. Based on the current price, we have a market cap of $26.25 billion. We have a 24-hour trading volume of just over $1 billion, which is down 19.41%. And yeah, if you take a look at the 1 year price movement, we can see that 1 year ago, we were just over $14 a coin, stayed pretty stable all the way until July of 2021. And that is when we saw a huge rally in the price for Solana, all the way up to about $260 a coin. Since then, the price movement has been pretty much always down. And you can see that right now, the current price is about 30% of the all-time highs back in November of 2021. The market dominance for Solana is 1.51%, and we have a market rank of number 9. The symmetry rating right now is a B, and the token insight rating is a triple B. Because of Solana's industry-leading technology and capabilities, many can't help to compare the blockchain to Ethereum. After all, both platforms support decentralized application development. However, Solana has proven to be the objectively more favorable network, considering the fact that it functions on proof of stake and proof of history, two protocols that are more advanced, efficient, and effective than Ethereum's proof of work system. When considering transaction throughput, Solana is one of the market's fastest while also maintaining dirt cheap rates per transaction. And beyond the comparisons to Ethereum, Solana has so much to offer on its own that it's no wonder why so many investors and analysts have been going crazy over this crypto for as long as it's existed. In fact, Solana has hopes of being the next great crypto-based payment system comparable to Venmo. Considering the network's capabilities and promotion of further development of applications on its network, I don't see why this would be a far-fetched possibility for the future of Solana. The decentralized promoting platform is already one of the most respected and beloved blockchains in the crypto realm, and beginners who want to get into crypto should at the very least look into Solana. Its use cases are there, and I believe that it's a great crypto to have long term. All right, next up is Cardano, and Cardano is another blockchain platform that promotes decentralized app development and execution. So right now, the price of Cardano is sitting at 81.42 cents with a 1 month low of 75.28 cents and a 1 month high of $1.11. So the market cap based on the current price is $27.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is $632 million, which is actually up almost 8%. Yes, the price is low per coin, but you can see that the circulating supply of Cardano is 33.69 billion, with a max supply of 45 billion coins. Looking at the 1 year price chart, we can see that about 1 year ago, we were trading at about $1. We saw a big spike all the way up to over $2 back in May of 2021, followed by a correction and then another huge rally all the way up to over $2.70 per coin. Now, since September, you can see that the price movement has pretty much has always been down, with the current price almost 4x lower than the all-time highs back in September of 2021. Cardano has a market dominance of 1.57% and a market rank of number 8. The symmetry score is a C grade, and Token Insight is rating it a triple B. So right now you can see that only 6% of people that are holding Cardano are making money at the current price, and 90% of people have actually lost money at the current valuation. Its concentration by large holders is 10%, and only 10% have held Cardano for over a year, 76% have held between 1 to 12 months, and 14% have held under 1 month. So Cardano was one of the first cryptos to implement the proof of stake protocol, which, like I've said before, allows crypto owners to validate transactions based on the number of coins being staked by the owner. The ultimate goal of implementing proof of stake over proof of work is to reduce energy consumption, which can have greater implications for market performance and environmental sustainability, which would make Cardano a more appealing alternative to blockchain execution compared to traditional proof-of-stake blockchains. In fact, if you take a look at this graphic, you can see that Tezos, which obviously is not Cardano, but is a proof-of-stake network like Cardano, consumes significantly less energy than proof-of-work platforms like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And actually, Cardano was founded by Charles Hoskinson, who was one of the co-founders of Ethereum. Hoskinson wanted to create a crypto network that was better than Ethereum, and Cardano became the brainchild of his pursuits. More specific, beyond launching decentralized apps, Cardano is focused on streamlining data collection through the platform's Atala Prism solution. The proof-of-stake network also wants to be applicable to preventing the sale of counterfeit goods by monitoring manufacturing processes of companies. Some wonderfully bullish things to consider about Cardano are its speed and scalability. It boasts a potential transaction throughput of 250 transactions per second, which obviously pales in comparison to Solana's speeds, but Cardano still proves itself to be a faster alternative to Ethereum, which is still the measuring bar in the crypto world. And when considering scalability of the network, Cardano is developing ways to increase the speed and capability of its own network. For example, they are preparing to introduce Hydra, which is basically a next-gen solution to Cardano's current protocols that may allow the network to execute 1 million transactions per second. It seems like the platform is already looking towards the future, and given its brilliant head start against some of the market's biggest cryptos, Cardano should be a no-brainer investment to consider for beginners. Anyways, that's my list of top beginner crypto to buy in 2022. If you guys want some free crypto or stocks, I will put links down in the description below. And with all investing, especially crypto, I want to make sure that you guys do your own due diligence before investing any of your money. Just because a crypto is on this list does not mean you just go out there and buy it. Make sure to do at least 1 hour of research per crypto project. And yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take this as financial advice. Again, if you guys want to get $10 of free Bitcoin, you guys can sign up for Strike using the link below. And yeah, happy investing. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. And if you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more videos just like this. I make a ton of content about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Thanks again for your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.